Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to zoom in or out on the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the free trial option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. So zoom in and zoom out on the timeline here in Adobe Premiere Pro is really easy. All you have to do is use the timeline zoom slider. Where can you find it? So at the bottom part of your interface, see there is like a two-wheel icon beside the slider right here. All you have to do is hover your mouse where you can see the hand signal. From an arrow, it turns into a hand signal. All you have to do is drag the slider all the way to the left. You see? Now it has been zoomed. It's really easy. All right. You see that? For example, you wanted to cut a specific part of the video. All I have to do now is maybe click this razor icon. We have a separate video on how to use the razor icon that you might want to check on our channel. And maybe you wanted to cut this to this specific area. So you need to use the timeline zoom slider in that situation, and from here you can delete that. So that's one of the easiest way for you to access the zoom in zoom out effect here in the timeline slider. Another option is you can press the alt plus the scroll of your mouse. You see that? But you have to hover to where your video is. Again, press the alt button and the scroll wheel of your mouse to create the zoom effect on the timeline panel. All right, it's kind of easy. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.